Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a great holiday month, week, season, whatever you want to call it. Please excuse the mess behind me because it is the holidays and all my gifts are just in my office for the time being. But anyway, so today I just wanted to do a quick video with a soft makeup look. The past few videos that I've done that have been makeup related have been like very bold eyeshadow looks, which have been great. I absolutely love them, but today I just wanted to do something a bit softer and something that a lot of people are more likely to wear, I guess. This is a look that'll be good for, you know, work or going to visit family or just a nice daytime look. So before I get started, I just want to say that I did take a shower this morning, so when I got out, I prepped my skin for the day with a Kate Somerville moisturizer. That way, I have very dry skin in the winter, so that way it is allowing my skin to not be flaky and dry and gross. So that is what I did this morning, but I will be prepping my skin a little bit differently because I did get some new products, so I'm going to be using those today. So first things first, I'm going to be using this Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. I just got this in my FabFitFun box a few weeks ago and I've been using it and I absolutely love it. It smells great. It is good to use with or without foundation, so it does give you a nice like dewy illuminated look. So if you don't want to use foundation for this and just want to use like a nice primer like this one that gives you a nice dewy look, that is totally okay. I think in the summer I would definitely use this. I mean, in the winter my skin gets really red from rosacea, so I'm more likely to use foundation. But in the summer, I think this is something that I could use on its own. So like I said, you can use this on its own and it is a nice dewy look. I really like this because it doesn't leave you sticky or oily like a lot of primers do, and it smells really good too. What's going on with my hair? I have a little crazy hair day here. So once that is done, I'm going to use my foundation, which my holy grail foundation that I use right here is my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. My shade is shade 3.5. This does oxidize, so the colors are a little bit off when you go to purchase, but in any case, I really love this. Now first off, look like this. I don't cake on the foundation. I kind of just put a nice light layer on. got my Tarte Shape Tape. I live and breathe by this for my under eye bags. I absolutely love it. And I use the shade Fair Neutral. It is a bit light, but I like that to brighten up my under eyes. This next step is optional, but I'm going to use my Give It To Me Straight palette just to give a little shimmer to my eyelids. I'm going to use the Upfront shade. I'm just going to use that for my entire eyelid because I'm not putting any other colors on. Just wanted to give it a little shimmer. Then after that, I'm just going to use my Neutrogena pressed powder just to give the under eye area a more matted look and to tone down the brightened concealer a bit. And to give my face a little bit of color, because I'm looking mighty pale, I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette to put a little blush on. Now I'm going to go back to my eyes with the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. I really love this mascara. It gives my lashes some volume and lengthens them, and I just really love it. I just recently started trying this mascara and I'm in love. Once you're done with mascara, you can move on to your lips with your lip color of choice. I'm going to be using the shade Wink. It is a matte color from Bare Minerals. I'm using this shade just because it is a more neutral tone and it's not too dark and kind of just a nice soft color. And for the finishing touch, of course, I'm just going to use my Smashbox primer water just as a setting spray. So there you have it. It is a nice soft makeup look. This look is great for people who find that eyeliner isn't their strongest suit, because believe me, I know it takes a lot of practice to be able to put on eyeliner and have it look semi-even. So this is a good look for work, for, you know, family parties, anything that you kind of just want to tone it down a bit. I love this as a nice everyday look. I'm about to go run some errands today, so I think this is a good look for that. But in any case, maybe next time I will try something a bit bolder as I did in my other videos. You guys let me know what you like better and I will go with that. So if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell next to it so that you are notified whenever I post. And while you're at it, make sure you check out my blog at unbreakablebliss.com and follow me on social media at bricutter. I will leave all those links in the description below. And until next time, have happy holidays and see ya!